Hello there, welcome back to Ding Talks. In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn your iPhone into a microphone. Stay tuned. Alright, if this is your first time opening this channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this. I'll be giving you reviews and how-tos every week. Alright, let's go straight to the video. Okay. To turn your iPhone into a microphone, I've selected two apps from the Apple Store and all the links are down there in the description below. So just download them. The two apps are Megaphone and Microphone. The Megaphone is the best, but the problem with the Megaphone is that you can connect it to Bluetooth speaker. If you want to connect it to a Bluetooth speaker, then you will have to go onto the settings and then you have to upgrade to Megaphone Pro. And the pricing is right there in the description below. Because this video, I want it to be free and for everybody. I'm going to be using the microphone. I'm going to be using the microphone app because I want everyone to have this. Alright, so the microphone app is totally free. All you have to pay, if you want to remove the ads, you can pay some money. Alright, so we're going to be pairing this with my Bluetooth, with my Bluetooth speaker. Alright, so I'm going to turn it on. We're going to see how it works. Okay.
Mini gem box is in pairing mode.
Alright, I've been able to pair my mini gem box. If you want that also, is right there in the description below. Alright, so we're going to go straight up back to the app and it's going to sync right there. And the gem box has been synced. So let's test this. Let's try it out. So I'm going to first of all turn it on. Hello? Hello. Alright, so you can see it works perfectly well. I don't know. Okay, the whole back, so I just have to turn it on. Alright, so you can see it works really good and no hiccup. You don't have to pay anything. If you want, you can increase the volume right here. You can increase the volume right here and like that. And also, if you want to get the best out of it, you could also use auxiliary cables, like to connect it directly from this guy onto your iPhone. It works like basically the same way. Like super cool. If you're a video creator and you also want to use your iPhone as maybe a mic on your PC, it's also possible with the auxiliary cable. So I have a video right there in the description that shows you how to use it on your PC. A friend of mine, his YouTube channel, so you can check that out. You can also use it on your gaming consoles. I have video links to videos like that also in the description. Just check it out if you want that. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And also check out the social media platforms, that's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and all. The links to all the social media platforms are right there in the description below. And also I'll be releasing 2 videos every week, one how-to and one review, so just stay tuned for that. Alright, thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.